Welcome to Law Offices of Lal Varghese. You can contact us at our WhatsApp number +1 972 556 1109. Repeating +1 972 556 1109. You can also contact us at our email address attyal@aol.com. Repeating attyal@aol.com. Remember, US time is behind 12 hours with Indian time. The best time to contact us on the phone is between 8 p.m. and 4 a.m. Indian time. If you are unable to contact us during this time period, we recommend you send us an email at our email address attyal@aol.com. We will reply to you within 24 hours. Remember, we are not allowed to provide you specific case-based legal advice under the laws here, but we will be glad to provide you the general information regarding your questions and concerns. If you would like to specific case-based legal advice, you need to retain this law firm as attorneys before we can provide you any such legal advice. In this episode, I am going to discuss briefly about the EB-5 investment visa category. We get at least one call every month from people from India and Middle East about obtaining green card through investment visa. And remember, the investment is $1.9 million. It's not just transferring money from your account from India to your account in America. The money must be invested at risk. That means the money should be spent out of your hand, invested in a business without knowing the success or without knowing whether you get a green card or not. You are not allowed to come to United States and invest here and stay here, but you have to retain a person of your choice to spend this much money on behalf of you and start the business. In order to start the business, you need to incorporate a company in the United States, and you need to transfer the money from your account from India to the company's account in the United States. You need to have documentary evidence to prove that the source of money is legal. So once the money is in the company's account in the United States, your authorized person, who is the manager or the director, will invest that money in a newly formed business. Like, for example, a hotel. He needs to sign the franchise agreement with the hotel companies. He needs to find the land. Then the hotel company will build the hotel in the land. He needs to start the business by hiring the employees. Once the business is started, the company needs to file an immigrant petition for the investor who is in India. It may take any amount of time, maybe 2 to 3 years, even to process an investment petition because of the backlog with the US immigration. It's very important that supporting documents and evidence from the US company to prove that the money is invested, the business has been created, the business has been started, the business is working, and the investor is needed to manage the business. The investor must prove the legal sources of all his money he has invested in US accounts, US companies' accounts, and once the petition is approved, the approved petition will be transferred to the National Visa Center under the Department of State for immigrant visa processing. Again, the investor, his wife, and unmarried children under 21 are eligible to apply for immigrant visa. They need to create a profile at an agency website, appear for the fingerprint, select pickup location, and they need to appear for the interview at the US consulate in Mumbai. The US consulate may take only about 10-15 minutes for the interview, review the documents, and once everything goes fine, they retain the passport. And within 3 days, the security check will be cleared, and they will review the security clearance, and they will print the visas and paste the visas in the passport of the beneficiary, spouse, and children under 21. They should remit a green card fee for each person before their departure from India to United States. The green card they are going to get is only a 2-year green card, which is called Conditional Residency status. The condition is that out of the $1.9 million, they need to invest the rest of the money. For example, they invested only $900,000 for starting the hotel, buying the land, starting the hotel, building the hotel, and the rest needs to be invested, but still in the company's account in the United States, that $1 million needs to be invested during the 2-year period. And the company also needs to hire 10 US citizens or 10 green card holders not related to the investor by blood. That means he cannot employ his spouse or children in the business. So once these two conditions are met, that the full investment of $1.9 million is met, 10 US citizens or green card holders employees are hired, and prior to this 2-year period, the beneficiary needs to file a petition to remove his conditional residency status and to get the green card. At present, it is taking about 2 to 3 years to process the petition because of the backlog. And once the petition is filed, they will extend the conditional residency status for another 12 months, which can be renewed every 12 months until the petition is approved. Once the petition is approved, the beneficiary and the spouse and children will be issued with a green card valid for 10 years. So by the time they get the permanent green card, it may take about 5 to 7 years to go through the process, and it is a very tedious task and process to go through this investment visa category. Instead of investing $1.9 million, there are regional centers where you can invest only 50% of that amount, but you have to hand over that amount to regional centers approved by the US Immigration, which are private employers. They will invest in their company business, and they will file the petition to get the 2-year green card. But we have seen that most of the employers go bankrupt and you lose the money also. So the best, safest way to obtain a green card, if you have enough money, which means if you have $1.9 million to investment in America, EB-5 visa is the best for you. But remember, it's not easy. You have to wait at least 2 to 3 years before you can get the 2-year green card to complete the process. Then you have to wait another probably 3 to 5 years to complete the process to get the permanent green card. You can contact us at our WhatsApp number +1 972 556 1109. Repeating, +1 972 556 1109. Or you can contact us at our email address attyllal@aol.com. Repeating, attyllal@aol.com. Thank you for watching. Thank you.